Hello friends. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix Razer Synapse if it is not opening or working. Right-click on Razer Synapse running under your taskbar and select Exit. Right-click on a blank space on your taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, go to Processes and find Razer Services. Click on each one and select End Task. Go to your search bar and type %local app data %. Click on it and find Razer. Right-click on it and select Delete. Go to your search bar and type Synapse. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to Compatibility and select Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 4. Disable full screen and run as administrator. Hit Apply and Continue. Go ahead and double-click on Synapse and it should work now. If that still doesn't work, you will have to uninstall it. Go to Add or Remove Programs and uninstall Razer Synapse. Go to your browser and reinstall Synapse by downloading it from the Razer website and following the prompts. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.